So we're here at Reading Stained Glass, which is where I get my glass from. This is my design, and it uses flashed glass, which is glass which is one colour with another colour on top. The idea being you can then etch away the top surface and reveal the colour underneath. So here it's going from blue to red, and here it's going from red to orange, and this maybe I'll do orange to yellow if there is some. And I'll be using the sandblaster to do that. So that's the design, and this is the actual size. So I can offer it up to the pieces and see if I've got big enough pieces of glass. This glass is handmade, mouth blown, and it's really expensive but very beautiful, so I need to buy carefully. So this is the rack with the flashed glass in. So that says flashed side, red on clear. So if you look down the side, I don't know whether the camera will pick it up, it's clear glass with a flashing of red on top of it. And you can just see through, if you get at the right angle, that it's a clear body. Don't think I need red on clear. It depends what the other options are. And because it's all mouth blown, it varies in thickness. I can't see what, it doesn't say what that is, but it looks like red on clear to me. This is blue on clear. Yellow on clear. I might buy yellow on clear. Depends. What have we got here? No, that's the wrong colour. Red on clear. So we'll go to slightly bigger sheets now. See what we've got. Lots of red on clear.
Is there just one section that's flash glass that you're pulling these from?
Flash glass is a very specific thing.
So it's not all of these?
No, it's just this section. Red on clear. You have to be very careful with it, that you don't scratch it. I think that's red on clear. It doesn't say, but if I look down the edge, it looks like it's red on clear. Well, that's quite a pretty colour, but again it's on clear. It'd be quite nice to get two colours in one sheet. Red on clear. Right, big sheets now. Graded, red on clear flashed. So that will be telling me that one end of the glass, it's beautiful glass. I don't know whether you can pick that up. Dark red there to pale red there. So pretty.
Oh, it is nice.
So I'm going to put that to one side because I might buy that. What's this one? It's a pretty one. Look at the colour.
Gold, pink, silver, yellow.
Silver, yellow.
Nice. A lot going on.
Because that's got a nice gradation to it as well. I might take that one. Is it on? So John is going to tell me how much these pieces cost, because how much I buy slightly depends on how much they cost. And then I have to figure out how much I need for my pattern. So I think I'm going to do this one.
Can you put that out in the back of your
Which may use.
the boxes?
So
So
both.
just about, yeah.
Or maybe only one. Yes. You probably only need half of that. I do need some experimenting. That's orange and yellow on clear, which might be nice for that.
that first piece,
Yeah.
that'll be at £71 plus VAT for the whole
Okay.
piece. So half is going to be 35 quid roughly.
Okay. And
That one.
this one? These are all
206.
Saint-Just, yeah.
Yeah.
So you get different makes and they may need different firing temperatures. So these are Saint-Just, this is Lambert's, and this is, what's
St.
this?
Just again. St. Just.
That's it, that's Saint-Just.
SDD, it's
Oh
St.
right,
Just
okay.
565.
So this one is the red on blue.
£51 plus VAT, that next one is this one.
That's that. Okay,
That's red on blue, so when
Yeah.
you cut through the red it will leave blue.
okay.
So we want,
Well, I mean, I don't think you've got the other way around anyway.
if you look at that corner, that,
Yeah. Well, it doesn't really matter because that's what I'm
oh yeah, that'd
doing.
be perfect, yeah. Yeah.
And then
Perfect
that.
what that is, yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, and then that one with
That
dairy.
one.
S652. Plus that piece is.
Okay.
Yeah.
And this
That
one.
one's not very much. So 260. £20.40 plus VAT.
How much did you say, sir?
£20.40 plus VAT.
Okay, and with this one, when it says orange, yellow on clear, is that orange on clear basically? Or is there two flashing? Is there orange and yellow?
No, it's called orange yellow. The colour's
Oh,
called
the
orange
colour's
yellow.
called orange yellow.
Yeah, because it's a yellowy orange.
So you don't have an orange on yellow or a red on yellow?
No, because we will have again, but not for a while.
Right, okay.
So the red on yellow, if there's none in the box there,
Yeah.
we're out of it. Unless there's any little bits in this box there. Gold yellow, that's what we've got red in it. Blue and clear. No,
Okay.
gold yellow and clear, that's the same as what we've already got. Yeah.
That's not the super expensive one, is it?
That's the same as what you've got there, no?
Yeah.
The little one, the cheaper
little
one,
one.
the 20 quid bit, yeah. Yeah, I think
Alright,
that's
well
it.
what I might have to do is get a red on clear and put yellow behind it.
It's a red on clear English antique glass.
Oh,
It's
that's
beautiful glass.
pretty, isn't
Yeah,
it?
yeah. So we're selling the glass from there as well.
That's a flash, is it? Wow.
I don't know if it's flashed. It is flashed.
It
It's
is,
quite
yeah,
thick.
yeah, it's
you
thick.
have to go for a long way to get
That's alright.
through it. But
That's gorgeous, I like
lovely
that.
glass, yeah.
That's really nice.
Quite
Yeah.
thick in places, so
I might-
sometimes you have to use
Ooh.
wide arm lead with it and stuff, but it's lovely glass, isn't it?
So nice.
Yeah.
How much is that sheet?
Oh, so I'll work it out and tell you.
Okay.
Otherwise we'll just guess.
Okay.
I can tell you that if you want to.
Yeah.
It's pro rata off of that, but so one of those bits including back to you is going to be 13
Okay.
quid.
Okay.
So that's like 4 to 13 quid and 52 quid probably.
Yeah. Very nice though.
How
It might
ma-
be just useful to have in.
Handmade in England.
Right. I
Is
just
that the
want.
size you're making it? That size?
Yeah, it's only a small window,
Yeah,
which
yeah.
is why I've
Yeah.
gone for.
Yeah.
I can afford nice glass
You just
because
cut a piece off each one of those, yeah. That's beautiful, isn't it?
it's just
You
lovely.
can see the quality
just
of it
nice.
just looking at it now. It's got all that movement in it, hasn't
Yeah,
it?
I might take some red on clear just to
Mm.
give me options,
Yeah,
and then
put
have
that
you
as
got some deep heart?
You can
red?
always use red on clear and silver stain it if you want it to be
Oh
cool.
yeah, I could, couldn't I?
Yeah, yeah. And that takes silver stain really nicely as
Does
well.
it?
Yeah. What you do is you sandblast it, then you fire polish it in your keel,
Yeah.
then you silver stain it, and then you fire it again.
Right.
So you'll paint it onto a smooth surface. That looks like that is big enough,
I
isn't it?
don't know whether it's going to do this one.
No, we've got bigger bits.
Yeah, I think I do need a bigger bit.
What does silver stain mean?
Silver stain. It's a particular kind of glass paint that stains glass yellow, and I don't know. It's different. It's different in its makeup to other kind of paints, so they call it silver stain.
Okay.
So we've got this one,
Mhm.
which is the lighter one, St. Just. That one's a dark one, which is Polish.
I think I want the lighter one
That one?
actually.
I'll cut a bit off that
Yeah,
one.
thank you. Oops.
Sophie.
It's quite dense,
But
isn't
it's
it?
solid, but you can see through it.
No, I think Is that that other one, that other sheet? Is that your only sort of...
I've got this one, which is another new one.
Bit busy?
Too busy, isn't it?
I think so. So far that's winning, that one over there.
It's like the spectrum
No,
stuff.
don't like that.
No.
It's too solid, the white's
Yeah.
too solid.
I know what you mean. When it's a little bit more quality, don't you?
Well, when it's next to transparent glass, it
Mm.
just looks a bit... I'm sure you had some in that back room that I had bought from you.
Yeah, textures. Right.
Was it textured right?
Yeah. Oh yeah, the sleeker one.
It might have been that, yeah.
Is that any good?
Yeah, maybe. Because if I take... I
So
don't
it's
know,
the
it's
light,
quite
yeah.
solid though, isn't it? Where it's solid, it's really solid. No, maybe that other one. That's better.
Oh gosh.
That was good, wasn't it? Big bang. You haven't
Just
done that,
testing the
have you?
durability.
Do you know what I did that in my workshop? I had to stop and start again so that I could edit that bit out. It's like, this is how you throw a sheet of glass around.
Leave it, that's another bit. No, it doesn't vary.
Yeah, I think there are bits of...
But it's all textured, isn't it? You
Yeah.
probably don't want that,
Yeah.
do you?
I think that
Because all the rest of
was
that glass is all
still-
going to be more fluid, isn't it?
Yes, yes. Well, while we're in this section, have you got that gel stuff that stops frit moving about?
Yes, that stuff, yeah. That blue one's the best
Yeah.
one, yeah.
How much are those?
Little one or big
Yeah,
one?
little one. I don't
Little
need
one.
much.
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, you're only cutting little... Is
It's
that the width you're
this
cutting?
one. That's the widest one. That one there is
That's
the
the
widest
widest.
one.
So that is like
If you do 3 inches,
3 inches a day for both of them, isn't it?
that one and that one, that should be enough,
You prob-
shouldn't it?
Well,
What do you
depends how
think?
much...
No.
Depends where you're cutting them and how much white you want.
Alright.
I'd probably go a
Let's
bit
go
wider.
for 6 inches.
Yeah, 6. That's
Yeah.
there, look.
Yeah, it's probably back to what it was at the first bit.
It is just under, actually.
Is it? Okay.
But it'll still make a difference of a few pounds.
Yeah.
Then you can cut the smokes
Yeah.
going up the candle then, can't you?
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean? That
Yeah,
looks nice,
yeah,
doesn't it?
Very nice.
Mm.
Yeah, happy with
Quality
that.
looking, yeah. That's how deep it is, the heart.
Yeah. Are you getting that
You
through?
can get 2 bits of lead and 2 bits of glass.
So that's so you can get 2 pieces of glass in the same lead. So I'll take 1 piece of that.
Oh, no, that's it. And then a length of 8mm.
Yeah.
The 8mm won't be rounded though in a wide heart. It'll be
That's
flat
okay.
profile, is that
That's
good?
okay. I just want to have some in so I can experiment. So if I get a yellow sheet, a yellow on clear sheet of flashed glass, and I want orange behind it, I can put 2 sheets into this lead and I'll get that effect.